Hello, folks. I'm gonna show you a game that I've made. Uh, Sorry, not a game. It's a screen of a game that I've made, and it has well things on it. A screen has things on it. If otherwise, it wouldn't be a screen. And the things that it has are this. It's a game in which there are sections of a city that you can visit, and when you visit them you get things to do, like when you enter a building in real life. Well, what it for example, this is a city in ancient Rome. We had a market, a coliseum, a ludus for gladiators to fight, a forest for, I don't know, go to the forest. In each of these buildings, when you click, let's say we click the Coliseum. Woo! It goes there, and supposedly this has to show a what you can do in the building. Well, when you want to get out of the building, you just click the building, and everything returns to normal. You click, I don't know, let's say the Ludus. Woo! The Ludus moves from here to there, and it has to appear menu, which I haven't done, of course, like I've said in the past. But this is just to showcase how cool I am in the front end. Just that, an extension of arrogance from my part, and of course to get a job, because it's some people might think arrogant to get a job today. I'm just kidding, not seriously. Uh, but anyways, this is it works for the forest too. There you have it. Oh, and by the way, the most interesting part. Let's say, let's refresh the page. Let's say you change the screen. Let's say you have a phone. Uh, it accommodates. Let's say we have a cell phone here. Let's refresh the website. This is what the cell phone will see. And let's say the guy clicks, I don't know, the Ludus. It will display the Ludus here, and it has it fixed. It's a fixed position, so that's cool. So when you click again, it returns to its place. But let me show the animations. I don't know. That's the Coliseum. There you go. You can see the animation going on. You click it again, and it returns to its place. And when you go over the elements, they scale. Well, let's wait. Let's refresh the website. Let me show it again. When you go over an element, it scales to a different size. I think it's 1.2. And well, this is it. This is the graphical side. This is the programming side. What have I done? What have I done? Is this this is the code. This is the elements. Each element has uh, each element has classes that they get added. It has base classes. These are sorry again. It has a building class, which, as you can see, everything is building. It has a specific building class, and it has these classes that get selected if the specific building is selected or not, or it is shadowed or not. So when you click each element, sorry again, it triggers a certain function that is different for each element. Um, for example, when you click the forest here, when you click the forest, when you click the forest, it only triggers these functions if the other things are not selected, which it aims it's useful for a thing that I might explain at the end of the video. So it sets the elements selected, and it shadows everything else, the background, the other elements. And when it does, and you click other elements, they are not gonna be, these actions are not gonna be triggered because, for example, here the forest is selected. So let's say you click the forest, you are in the forest now with the forest selected, and you cannot click other elements. So well, you can click them, but their actions, the code inside the functions in other elements are not going to be triggered because this condition is not going to be fulfilled. In the same way, you click the market, and it will be selected. The market will be selected, and you will not be able to click other elements. So, well, that explains some functionality that it took me a lot to figure it out. Well, regarding the classes that gets implemented inside the DOM element, this is these are the classes. It's a SAS file, and thank God that I've chosen SAS because it's 150 lines. I've used mixed ins to. If I wouldn't have used mixin, I wouldn't. It will be long. The file will have been longer. So, well, I think this explains uh, the code. I will be putting the code. The I will be putting this in this repo in the description, so you can go and check it out. Uh, so I guess it's everything for this video. I wish you good luck and God bless you all. Bye.